Hi everyone, it's Jacqueline and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is another embroidery themed video where I'm going to show you how I made this DIY embroidery on my clothes. Before we get into this video, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get into this video. This video is a collaboration video with my friend Catherine, or Hooded Eyes on YouTube. She also made her version of embroidery, so make sure to visit her video and channel as well. I will leave the link down in the description box. The first embroidery is this galaxy with planet and stars. This is the simplest one and using the simplest technique, which is the running stitch. For the first DIY, I'm using my old plain sweater, and for the outline of the drawing, I'm using an erasable or washable highlight or marker, and then I'm putting the drawing in the middle of the embroidery hoop. Once I'm done with the setup, I'm picking out a few colors of thread that I want to use, and this time I use a pink pastel and yellow pastel color for a dreamy galactic look. For the planet, I use the pink pastel thread and I'm using the running stitch. So first I bring my needle up through the back and stitch forward, and bring the needle back to the back and skipping another stitch length, and bring the needle through the back again and continue doing so till I finish all of the planet. And now I'm adding more stitch around the planet as the ring. If you have any idea what planet I'm making right here, please leave a comment down below. For the stars, I'm using the yellow pastel thread, and there is no certain techniques that I use here. It is very self-explanatory and I'm just creating stitch until it looks like a star. I'm adding a few more stars around the planet as well as some bigger stars. Here's the final look of the galaxy embroidery. It is very simple, quick, and easy to do, yet it looks so cute and aesthetic. Moving on to our second one, which is the rainbow embroidery. It is the most complex and time-consuming embroidery. So first I created the outline using a washable marker, and then I create a few rainbow stripes that I'm going to fill in later. I'm putting the drawing in the middle of the hoop and we're ready to go. For the rainbow embroidery, I'm going to use the split stitch because it will look very pretty and detailed once we fill in the whole rainbow. But at the same time, it is not as time consuming and it won't waste as much thread as a satin stitch. To do the split stitch, you need to bring your needle from the back to the front and then go a stitch length forward, and then from the back you're going to split the previous thread in the middle, hence the name split stitch, and then continue doing so till the end of the rainbow. To fill in the rainbow, I'm adding more and more line till I fill in the whole rainbow. So this is how they should look once you fill in the whole rainbow. For the next rainbow, I'm going to use the pastel blue thread. For the third one, I'm going to use another pastel purple color, and this time I'm not going to make it as thick as the previous rainbow to give a little bit of variation. The last one took me the longest, and I used a navy blue color, and I personally really love the whole color combination. A tip from me is to use a non-stretchy t-shirt because it will look wrinkly after the embroidery. I used mine that is more than 5 years old already, so it is so stretchy now. So this is the final look. Look at that gorgeous detail, and it took me about 4 to 6 hours, but it is so worth it to see the final result, and actually this is my favorite DIY in this video. Okay, last but not least is this very simple and sweet sunflower embroidery. After picking out a few colors that I want, I'm starting off by creating the stem for the sunflower. I used the split stitch to make the stem, and actually you can draw the outline first to make a more precise look, but for this last one I'm just going to do it without the outline. For the leaves, I'm using a minty pastel green color and use a fishbone technique. Mine is not neat nor perfect because I didn't draw any outline for the leaf and my t-shirt was super stretchy, so keep that in mind for your future embroidery project. As for the circle of the sunflower, I used the back stitch as I've mentioned on my previous embroidery video. Now for the flower petals, I'm going to stitch a simple straight line all around the circle twice so the petals will be thicker and it adds a little bit more detail. This is the final look for the last DIY. It's very cute and simple, and this one is also very easy to make. Alright, that's it for today's video. 3 different embroidery on my t-shirt and also my sweater. I'm so in love with all of them, but please let me know which one is your favorite down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also comment down below if you have any video ideas for future uploads, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!